Hello my dear children, welcome to the maths class of Standard 5. Today we are going to continue the chapter 3, large numbers. So my dears, in the last class we learned the numbers up to 99,999, isn't it? Okay, so today we are continuing this, and today's first topic is successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. Children, do you know what is successor? Successor of a given number is one more than the given number. Okay, successor means, that is, successor of a given number is one more than the given number. And do you know what is predecessor? Yeah, predecessor of a given number is one less than the given number. Okay, so successor means one more than the given number and predecessor means one less than the given number. So children, I am writing a number 35. Can you say the successor of this number? We know successor means plus 1, one more than the given number. So I am adding 1 with 35, that is 36. So 36 is the successor. 36 is the successor. Okay children, and what is predecessor? One less than the given number, isn't it? So 35 minus 1 is equal to 34. So 34 is the predecessor. What is it? Predecessor. So successor of a given number is one more than the given number. Predecessor of a number is one less than the given number. Okay. So when the questions are asking to find out the successor, you can add 1 to the given number, and to find out the predecessor of the given number, you can minus or subtract 1 from the given number. Okay children. So let's discuss some successor and predecessor of some bigger numbers. Children, here some numbers are given. You have to find out the predecessor and successor of these numbers. Okay. So look at the numbers. 6,940. 6,940. So you have to find out the successor and predecessor of this number. Children, we know predecessor means before number. That means minus 1 from the given number. Okay. Then successor means plus 1. That is, add 1 to the given number. Okay. So I am writing. So 6,940 minus 1. What is that? Yeah, 6,939. Isn't it? Before number of 40 is 39. So 6,939 is the predecessor of this number. Now the successor of this number, that is 6,940 plus 1. What is that? That is 41. 6,941. Okay. Now the second one, 50,493. 50,493. So let's write the predecessor of this number. That is 50,493 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, right? So 29405. That is 50,492 is the predecessor. 50,494 is the successor. Okay. That is plus 1 with this number. Add 1 with the number. Now the next 89,989. So subtract 1 from this number. You will get 89,988. Okay. And add 1 to this number. Then 9 plus 1 will become 10, 0, 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 9, 9, 8. That is 89,990 is the answer. Okay children? Okay. Now look at the last question. 46,730. So what is the predecessor? Predecessor is 46,730. 30. Before 30, 29. Okay, 46,729. Now, after number, that is successor of this number, that is 46,731. Okay, children, so this is the way to write the predecessor and successor of a given number. Okay, always remember, predecessor means before number, successor means after number. To get the before number, we can subtract 1 from the given number. To get the after number, we can add 1 with the given number. Got it, children? Okay. Dear children, now we are going to study about 6-digit numbers. 6-digit numbers. Children, we know about the largest 5-digit number, isn't it? Which is the largest 5-digit number? Yes, that is 99,999, isn't it? And if you are taking the successor of this largest 5-digit number, do you know what we will get? Okay, let's do that. Okay, so I am writing the largest 5-digit number, that is 99,999. Okay, now I am going to find out the successor of this number. That means I am going to add 1 with this number. Which number we will get? Let's find out. 9999. Successor of 99,999 is equal to 99,999 plus 1. Okay, let's add 1 with the number. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 10. Okay, children, look at this number. Now, is it a 5-digit number? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's a 6-digit number. So, my dears, from this we can understand, when we add 1 to the largest 5-digit number, we will get the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, that is the successor of the largest 5-digit number is a 6-digit number. Okay, it is a 6-digit number and it has 1 and 5 zeros. Okay, 1 and 5 zeros. Children, do you know how to read this number? This number is called 1 lakh. It is called 1 lakh. Okay, this is the number 1 lakh. Okay, now I will show you how the place value chart of the 6-digit number looks like. Okay, children, look at the board. Here shows us the place value chart of a 6-digit number. So, rightmost place is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and after that there is a new place and that is lakhs place. Okay, so ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and lakhs place. Okay, this is the place value chart of a 6-digit number. And to denote lakh, you can put the letter L. Okay, capital L you can write to denote lakhs. Okay, children. So, do you know which is the largest 6-digit number? That is 9,99,999. Okay, and the smallest 6-digit number is, yes, 1 lakh. Okay, so let's write that two numbers on this place value chart. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So 1 will come in lakhs place, then all other places are having zeros. Okay, now the largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Okay, so 9,99,999. This is that number. Got it, children? Okay, now we are going to check which is the 7-digit number. Okay, after 9,99,999, which number comes? Okay, we will check that. My dears, as we see now, we can add 1 to the largest 6-digit number to get the smallest 7-digit number. Okay, so let's add 1 with the largest 6-digit number. So 9,99,999 plus 1 will give you 10 lakh. Okay, so let's do that. Plus 1. Okay, so let's check. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 10. Okay, look at this number, children. Look at this number. It's having 7 digits in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits in it. And we can read this number as 10 lakh. We can read it as 10 lakh. Okay, it is 10 lakh. So this is the smallest 7-digit number. 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number. Children, do you know how to represent this number on a place value chart? Okay, I will show you. So the place value chart of a 7-digit number will look like this. One more place will come here, and that is 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs. We can denote it by capital T and capital L. Okay, capital T and capital L. That is 10 lakh. Okay, now look, children, how many places it has? 7 places. Which are they? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so these are the places of a 7-digit number. Okay, keep in mind the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. Smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. And do you know which is the largest 7-digit number? That is 99,999,999. Okay. So children, the largest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. How we can write that number? Like this. 99,99,999. Okay, this is the largest 7-digit number. And the smallest 7-digit number is, yes, 10 lakh. We can write 10 lakh like this. Okay, so this is about 7-digit numbers. Now we are checking 8-digit numbers. Okay, as we seen here, we can add 1 to the largest 7-digit number to get the smallest 8-digit number. Okay, so here the largest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. So when you find out the successor of this number, you will get the number 1 crore. Okay, you will get the number 1 crore. Okay, children, I will show you that. So look, children, so 99,99,999. This is the largest 7-digit number. I am adding 1 with this number. Okay, now let's check which number we will get. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1, 10, 0, 1, 10, 0, 1, 10, 0, 1, 10, 0, 1, 10, 0, 1, 10. Okay, so now look at this number, children. How many digits are here in this number? Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are here in this number. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. This is the smallest 8-digit number. And we can read this number as 1 crore. What is it? 1 crore. 1 crore. C-R-O-R-E. Crore. Okay. This is 1 crore. Okay, children. Let's check how the place value chart will change when it becomes a 8-digit number. Okay. When it becomes 8-digit number, there will be one more place, and that is crores place. Okay, so this is the crores place. C-R-O-R-E-S, crores. So to denote crores, we can write the alphabet C. Alphabet C. Okay, this shows crores. Okay, and the smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. That is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is 1 crore. Okay, and can you tell me which will be the largest 8-digit number? Yes, 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Yes. So tell me children, how we can write? Yeah, like this. That is 8 nines will be there. Okay. We can read it as 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. This is the way to read this 8-digit number. Clear children? Okay. So in today's class we learned about 6-digit numbers, 7-digit numbers, 8-digit numbers, and about successor and predecessor, isn't it? So what are successor? Successor means the successor of a given number is the more than one of that given number. Yeah, okay. So successor of a given number is more than one of the given number, which means you can add 1 to that number to get the successor of that number. Okay, and then we learn predecessor. What is predecessor? Yes, predecessor of a given number means one less than the given number. That is, you can subtract 1 from the given number to get the predecessor. Got it? And after that, we learned about 6-digit numbers, isn't it? So tell me, which is the smallest 6-digit number? That is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. And the largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Okay, that is the largest 6-digit number. Now, which is the smallest 7-digit number? That is 10 lakh. That is 10 lakh. Okay, and which is the large, just now we said the smallest 7-digit number. Now tell me, which is the largest 7-digit number? Largest 7-digit number is 99,99,99,999 is the largest 7-digit number. Okay. Now tell me, which is the smallest 8-digit number? Yeah, the smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Yes, 1 crore. Okay, that is 1 crore. Now, which is the largest 8-digit number? That is 99 crore 99,999. Okay, children. So, is it clear? Alright. So, my dears, I am winding up today. Everyone watch the video again and again and study these all topics well. Okay. Bye-bye.